divina. Tuga vengo no mo yo man. Tuga si a fo ya ngele pa bote dan. Ambo te chachu ho. Chachu ho. Ano toke chachu ho. Chachu ho. Ano toke chachu ho.
Me feel it, say now who some people make me feel it alright. Yeah. Oh baby, commando, come make I be your commando. I can fight for you, commando. I wanna be your commando, yeah. I go feel be your commando, come make I be your commando. Anything you want, baby, come make I know. Anything you want, baby.
Hi my beauties, hi. I miss you, so let me get into this intro very short. Okay, this passion tool is from Xtrend here. Okay, I'm going to leave the website down below. Xtrend here, www.xtrendhair.com. Okay, that's easy. Okay, so I'm going to leave the links down below, don't forget. And yeah, and the color is 1BH/27. By the way, I have 1 week with this hair. Only I redo this part. I'm going to show you in the video. And this hair is very nice. I use only 3 packs and a half because I'm not for my head. But if you want to fold your head, you're going to need 7 packs. Okay. So this is the length of the hair, but it's more long. So it's like, here you go. All that. So don't forget to subscribe this week, give this video a big thumbs up, comment and share. And my lashes are from colorcier.com. This is the DL05 from the dramatic collection from Mimo Cosmetic from colorcier.com. My discount code is JK10 for you to have 10% off. Okay, don't forget. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram so you can see more pictures about this hair. So that is all. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.
Kanda.
Take 'em. Take 'em. We papa no day, mama no day. The life where they vive in a sofa. We something no day, money no day. The thing where you get na for chop 'em. You uncle they pull you nine cost. The vision where they give 9 people they take. You know fit to come, you know fit ask some familiar go can talk say you don't get fit ya yo. Uncle na brother for you papa, auntie na sister for you mama. All man they see you like juju. No man no one make you enter my house. This life not safe you good or bad to my brother. People go talk oh. Take 'em, take 'em, the man take 'em, take 'em. Teka mningene fawe bitapa seka Edikwa na wonga zomo Teka sina wambri yunkongosa Teka mdima no dayo I no go lie you Where you no get money if you said in the run